CJ Dropshipping Shopify tutorial, how to use CJ Dropshipping in 2023. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another great e-commerce and dropshipping related tutorial. And in this tutorial, we're going to be talking about CJ Dropshipping and Shopify. And we're going to be talking about how you can integrate both of those and dropship and run a successful dropshipping store. Mainly, what we're going to need to do is we're going to go here on Add Apps. And once you click on Add Apps, you're going to click on Shopify App Store. And once you click on Shopify App Store, you're going to wait for the store to load up. And once it does, you're going to come here and you're going to write CJ. And once you write CJ, you're just going to click on it. And look at that. There we go. CJ Dropshipping. Free to install. You sell, we source, and ship for you. Now, this is one way to add it to your Shopify store. Like, just click on it and click on Add App, and it will automatically add CJ Dropshipping to your store. That's one way to add it. The other way is, obviously, you're going to go to cjdropshipping.com. And once you go to the CJ Dropshipping's website, obviously, you can see it has this great interface with all the products down here, as you can see. Now, obviously, what you're first of all going to do is you're going to register yourself with CJ Dropshipping. Now, to register yourself, obviously, you're going to enter an email. Right now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using a temporary email just to, for the video purposes. But if you're doing proper dropshipping in a proper online e-commerce store, I recommend that you use a proper email of yourself. So I'm just going to go with this. I'm going to copy this to my clipboard, come here, paste. And I'm going to create a strong password for myself. Just make sure to optimize it according to whatever they want, because they are very picky with their passwords, rightfully so. So once you have added your password, just do make sure to reassure that yes, this is my password. I'm just gonna make sure to add it in again. There we are. Now you can enter a referral code. It's totally optional, but if you don't, you're just gonna go on agree, and then you're gonna sign in. Now you're gonna click on it. You're gonna enter any random username. Doesn't really matter. You're gonna enter a name, enter your phone number, click on confirm, and once you've done that, here you are. Which platform are you running your store now? So let's say, I'd say you do choose this because, like, again, it optimizes your store. So I'm going to choose Shopify. How many orders do you process? You're going to put in your orders per day. What categories of products do you mainly market? So you can go with any one of these. I'm going to go with consumer electronics and clothing, and I'm going to go on submit. And once you do that, obviously you are fully optimized with your CJ store. Now, the question is, how do you connect your CJ store from CJ Dropshipping to Shopify? Because I showed you the Shopify way. You're just going to go on their app store and click on Add App. But if you're on CJ Dropshipping, all you're going to need to do is you're going to go on My CJ. And once you go on My CJ, it might take like a few seconds to load when you're getting into it for the first time. But once you go on My CJ, you're going to come down here where it says Store Authorization. You're going to click on Store Authorization. And in the top, you're going to see Shopify. You're going to obviously see other stores too, like TikTok, eBay, WooCommerce, API, Lazada, Etsy, Wix, stuff like that. But we're going to go on Shopify. We're going to click on Add Store. And once you do that, you're going to click on Authorize. Now, once you click on Authorize, you're going to come here again, redirected to the same app store. You're going to click on Add App. And once you click on Add App, you will be redirected back to your store where you're going to install the app into your main Shopify dashboard. So we're just going to wait for it to load up really quick. It's going to take a few seconds. So there we are. So we're just going to click on Install App. Now, once you click on Install App, what's going to happen is they're going to ask you to authorize yourself. So you're just going to go with the email that you want to authorize with. Great, your account this is online. You can authorize it now. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on authorize, and it will correctly authorize your account. And here we can see authorization success. CJ will help you make dropshipping business much easier. Now, to dropship products to your Shopify, all you need to do is you're going to go on some product that you like. Like, let's say you like this intelligent atmosphere lamp, Bluetooth speaker, wireless. You're just going to click on list. And once you click on list, what's going to happen is they're going to bring you here to the whole list of this product with its variants and everything. You're going to add the warehouse. You're going to add the product type. If there's any, you can add a product type. That's totally easy. Add a product type. And once you do that, you can add the vendor. If you don't have a vendor, please do make sure to add it. Once you do that, confirm. You're going to choose all the prices for the variants. And once you do that, you're going to choose your shipping method, ship my order to. And once you do that, you're just going to click on list it now. And once you click on list it now, it's going to start its listing. It's going to be listing in progress. You may check the listing, and on listing, listed products can be managed and listed. Now we're just going to wait for it to be listed, and once it's listed, it's going to be showed in our products page right here. So it will just take like a few seconds, so we're just going to wait for it right there. Now once the products are properly and successfully listed, what's going to happen is as we can see, it's listed. We're going to come here, we're going to go to our products right here, and look at that, our product has been listed. And that is basically how easy it is to use CJ Dropshipping with your Shopify. Now if you found this video helpful, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, please do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll make more for you. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.